approached me about an exciting concept for Iowa, not only me, but other great leaders across the state. And you know, her timing really couldn't have been better. I was in the middle of my Stories of Women's Lives tour, and it was an opportunity for me to travel throughout Iowa and really meet with successful, inspiring women, as well as companies that really had already embraced diversity and understood the opportunities that brought not only to their business, but to the economy and to the state of Iowa, and especially to women. They had embraced and they were leading by example. It was an opportunity to connect the dots of women leaders, to share best practices, and to build on what other organizations had already done, like NABO, like Nexus, like Iowa Women Lead Change, as well as Million Women Mentors, just to name a few. Yet really, as we were talking about what we do, looking at ways that we could create a statewide public-private partnership seemed a little bit elusive. Elusive until today. Today we announced a dynamic public-private partnership called the EPIC Corporate Challenge. It's an initiative to help women achieve greater leadership opportunities, but it's so much more than that. It's another key component of spurring economic development in our state, really